We are moving to the next chapter of our lectures when we are going to talk about verbs. It's very important. You need to know that verbs are the action words in a sentence that describe what the subject is doing. Yeah, exactly, what you are doing. So basically, that's why we have a question. What is a verb? So you need to understand that the verb is something that is doing an action. So speak, run, eat, these are all actions. You know, when you do something, when you write something, these are actions. Do, write, speak. Along with nouns, verbs are the main part of a sentence or phrase, telling a story about what is taking place. In fact, without a verb, full thoughts cannot be properly conveyed, and even the simplest sentences, such as Maria sings, have one action word. So basically you can see here, as I mentioned in the slides, that verbs are the action verbs in a sentence, and verbs can be a sentence by itself. And we can see some examples like Maria sings, Maria drives. You can also say Ben sings, Ben drives. You can use any other names. But you must remember that you need to use verbs: sings, drive, and etc. When we go to the next slide, we are going to learn some more details about action verbs. When learning the rules of grammar, school children are often taught that verbs are doing verbs, meaning they signify the part of the sentence which explains the action taking place. What do we mean by action taking place? It's very important because as you see, for example, we use the example: he ran away, she eats chocolate cake on Sundays, the horses gallop across the fields. All these verbs, run, eat, gallop, all these verbs, they are action verbs. So as you see, I repeat again, and you need to listen carefully one more time. He ran away, she eats chocolate cake on Sundays, the horses gallop across the fields. So ran, eats, gallop are the action parts of those sentences, that they are the verbs. So this is very significant and important